Hey, what's up and welcome back, y'all. Today I got some more Wingstop. First of all, I want to know why they give me that big old bag with this little old container in it. That's a big bag for this small container. But anyways, y'all, I got me some chicken. So this top one is the honey hot wings, and then my bottom layer is the Cajun. So let's try to get these so y'all can see both. Yeah, this is what we working with today. First of all, I just want to say I am greatly disappointed because I originally went to Wingstop because I was like, oh, everybody's talking about this chicken sandwich. Let me try this chicken sandwich. While I go in there, chicken sandwich is sold out. Yep, sold out. I was devastated, y'all. Like, devastated. Oh, we're out. And I couldn't leave empty-handed. So I'm just like, you know what? I'll just do me a wing meal. I didn't want no fries because if y'all watched the video from last week, I tried Wingstop for the very first time, and I had the fries and I didn't even really care for the fries. So I just got, you know, 2 types of wings. So without further ado, this hot honey. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see all the seasoning on there, but baby, this is it. And it tastes just as good as when I tried it the first time last week. I will say though, they forgot my ranch. Y'all, for my drink, I have a Sprite. I'm out of ginger ale. Oh, and I haven't been able to go to the store yet, so I've been drinking my husband's Sprites. Ooh. Okay, Sprite. Now this would be my first time trying the Cajun, but from what I could tell, these Cajuns looking real feisty. So red. Okay. I don't care for this one as much. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's good. It's just They're not as good as the hot honey ones. I think it's also because I'm a person who either likes a sauce or a rub. And these Cajun ones, they have part rub on the top and then the backs are sauced. So it throws me off a little bit. They forgot my ranch, so kind of had to improvise, and now I'm using my own ranch. But neither here, neither there. These hot honey ones are it. But how y'all doing today? It's good to hear y'all. Again, I'm always available if somebody needs to talk or vent or get things off their chest. Now, I can't offer no advice. I don't feel like I'm a good advice giver, but your girl can definitely listen. I do want to say the holidays are right around the corner, and I do hope and pray that y'all be safe and have fun out here, because this world is getting crazy. The world is getting crazy, so y'all have fun, be safe. Tell everybody you love them. Ooh. I'm gonna try this Cajun one again and see if I like it with the ranch. Come on. See that? I'm sorry. These Cajuns are not doing it for me. It's not doing it for me. Like I said, I really think it's the combo that's throwing me off. Like, I need it to be saucy or I need it to be a dry rub, but having both, my taste buds do not like both together. Alright for the most part. Alright for the most part. Again, just busy and working. I did have a couple of days where I was feeling kind of down, only because, like I said, the holiday season is upon us, and I only have half my family here in Texas. And I mean, I love my dad's side of the family dearly, but it's just, I don't know. I don't have my mom and sisters here, so yeah, I really start to miss them around the holiday season. My dad and his family does a pretty good job, you know, keeping holiday spirits up. So yeah. I'm also missing my grandma a little bit, she's been pretty sick this year. That we had a couple emergency trips to go visit Milwaukee to see her back in June because it got really bad. So it's just, you know, just missing the other half of me. You know, it helps. It helps having my husband. Because we kind of experienced the same thing. Well, I mean, he doesn't have any. The only family he has down here in Texas is his sister, on his dad's side, and we've been trying to stay close to them, you know, hang out with them, spend time with them and all. But he also goes through the periodic moments of he misses his mom's, their side of the family, because again, it's only him down here besides his one sister. You know, the rest of our family is back in Milwaukee. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, it does get hard around the holiday season because we're so used to, you know, having everybody around and doing super big celebrations with everybody, like, so oh, my lunch don't want to come out. Oh, so I mean, it's only been our 3rd year in Texas, so I mean, it is getting better. However, again, it's just harder during the holiday seasons because our families can't travel back and forth as much. It has to be us traveling to them, but yeah. These wings really, yeah. But anyways, not to be all sappy. I'm usually alright after a couple days because, y'all, when I say I FaceTime my mama like every day, every other day, we FaceTime literally like every other day. Me, her, my sisters, and my nephews all be on the phone for like hours at a time. Every day. Dang near every day, every other day. Like, literally. For the record, I just want to say, to all the people that said Wingstop was nasty, y'all lied. I think y'all was just riding the wave. Because I like it. I mean, is it the absolutely best chicken? Absolutely not. But it's also not the absolute worst I've had. Like, for the price, it's pretty good chicken. Now, like I said, I don't care for that occasion, but This hot honey is really good. And I don't know if it makes a difference, but I always get my orders made fresh. My orders are always made fresh. So that could probably be the difference between, you know, good chicken and bad chicken. My chicken is coming straight out the grease versus, I mean, if somebody's just getting chicken that's already been sitting, it ain't gonna be good no more. Oh. If you go in and they're not making it fresh, ask for a fresh batch. Even if they say no, be like, oh, speak to a manager, you need a fresh batch made. My chicken be good. Fresh and crispy. But I'm also going pretty much as soon as they open to get my chicken. Like, going when they open might not be convenient, but I like going when as soon as they open. I'm the first. I'm one of the first orders. In and out. Fresh chicken. Good to go. Yeah, they did something with that hot honey there. Ooh. Ooh. Sprite good. It just don't hit the same as my ginger ale. But anyways, I'm full, y'all. I done ate 7 wings. I had a 10 piece, and I done ate 7 wings. It was half the Cajun and half the hot honey. Don't worry, the Cajun wings will not go to waste. I will just eat them later as a snack. It's only 3 pieces of them left, but y'all, excuse me, y'all, I missed them hot honey wings up. Man, they was good. They was good. Woo. Now your girl is full. Got just a little bit of work to do today in the kitchen, and then I could pretty much rest and chill the rest of the day. But that's all I have for y'all today. I say this every time, but I am grateful for y'all being here to help me enjoy my food and eat with me. I'm very appreciative of the support. I love y'all, friends. I love y'all dearly. But without further ado, that's all I have for y'all today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.